welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be filming this because it is June 30th when I'm filming, but I already have my July Ipsy Boxycharm boxes ready to go. It is never here this early, so I'm really going to take advantage of film this, hopefully get it edited and up by tomorrow, so hopefully you're seeing this on July 1st. But this is going to be a full review, unboxing, and demo of the Boxycharm by Ipsy July box. As you can see, the box did get a makeover in the new branding and packaging design. I do really love this ombre aesthetic, and just in case we forgot, this is going to be the Ipsy Glam Bag, Boxycharm Icon Box, and the Refreshment Box, all with one similar box shape. They're really trying to streamline so it feels like one big brand and not two two massive brands connected. But rest assured, this is the July Boxycharm by Ipsy box. So if you want to see a full review, unboxing, and demo of everything inside, make sure to keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe because I upload every other day. That'll be the best way to stay up to date and all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you're ready to jump into my Boxycharm by Ipsy box for the month of July, stay tuned. Alright, so we already kind of went over the new redesign. I do want to just say, as always, this is sent to me for reviewing purposes. This is a PR box. I am not being paid for my opinion. This is not a sponsored review. If I hate everything inside, I'm going to tell you I hate it. When I look at these boxes to see, is this worth the money? I like to look at the subscription price, which for this tier is, I'm going to say around $30. I know in some places it's like $29, in some places it's $34. Canadians can pay up to like $39, not $39, maybe $39. Somebody said $39 once, and I don't know why that's where my mind is jumping, but I'm going to say we're looking for about $35 worth of product in here after all of the fees in order for this to be worth it. Would I be better off taking 35 bucks and going to Ulta or Sephora or getting this subscription box? Jumping right in, the first item is from the brand Wing Me. It is a clear brow gel. Keep your brows in place with the Wing Me Clear Brow Gel. Brush on matte formula strokes eyebrows into shape and tames hairs for natural looking definition that lasts all day. Use alone or as a topper to set your brow makeup. I love a clear brow gel, but I actually just opened a new one. I have been using and loving the Kush Brow Lamination Gel from Milk Makeup, and it's going to work exactly the same. I'm not sure if this one's going to be like more of a gel, so it might be a little crunchier, but in general, these are just going to be used nice and easy to fluff your brows up and lock them in place. Like, see how much better it looks already just by combing them in place and setting it with a brow gel. I use a clear brow gel in my routine all the time, so definitely going to put this for a future use. This says on here, once you open it, you have 6 months until it expires. I know some people are not as strict with their expiration dates as I am, but I just opened this. This will last me a couple months, and I don't want this one to start turning bad while I'm still using this one. Next, from the brand Malin & Getz, this is the Vitamin E Face Moisturizer. Our lightweight moisturizer synthesizes natural vitamin E, chamomile, and fatty acids to gently and effectively hydrate and balance all skin types. This brand has such a minimalist packaging. This is not the first product we've received from them. I actually just got from this brand the hand and body wash in my FabFitFun. I'm going to link that video up above if you are interested in taking a look at my FabFitFun unboxing. But I am excited to give this a try. Now, just like with the brow gel, products expire after you open them, and this one has 12 months from expiration. Now, there are people who will finish their moisturizers in 12 months. I am not one of those people because I'm constantly opening, and I usually have 3 open at a time. I currently have, I think, 4 open, so I'm going to be, again, holding off until I finish one before I open another, because it just becomes so wasteful, and every 6 months I go through and I purge anything that's open that I know has been open for like a year, I will get rid of, and I feel like I waste so much. So I'm not going to open something until I'm ready. Next is an item that I am absolutely familiar with and have used on more than one occasion. This is the Earth Harbor Marina Biome Brightening Ampule. We have received this brand in quite a few boxes, and this product specifically I have already received. Now, I don't remember if I received it in a Kinder Beauty box or one of the Eco boxes, or maybe it was a Boxycharm or an Ipsy, but I have absolutely used this product before, and I really liked the way that it helped my skin. It has spirulina and blue tansy, which are both great ingredients for balancing your skin, helping with oil control, helping with brightness and clarity and glow. So in general, a fantastic product. Not new to me, so I'm not going to be opening it just yet because, again, I've used it before, so I don't need to try it right now. However, if you go back on my channel, I'm sure you can find the video where I tested this out, and I love the way it felt. This brand is also awesome because it is plant-based, cruelty-free, vegan, fair trade, sustainable, no soy, no gluten, female-owned, and small batch, so you know you're getting some great quality. All right, and we've got 2 more items, and these are going to be our makeup products. First, this was one of the teasers. It is the Ciate London Brazilian Glow Eyeshadow Palette. It is a massive palette, so I'm really excited about this. I already spoke about this in the July teaser video I posted about, and I love the Ciate formula, but this palette is beautiful. It is a cool toned fantasy. There are some warm tones in here for sure. You've got some coppers, some bronzes, some, warm peaches in there. But because it's so grounded in all of these pink tones, I think it's got a really nice basis of, those cool tones and warm tones in here. So I don't think that this would look bad on anybody. Looking at it right here, just with the tones in here, I would say that this is going to work best for those of you with blue or green eyes. The way that color theory works when it comes to our eyeshadow colors is if you want to make your blue eyes pop, you want to use opposite of the color wheel, same thing for green eyes. Opposite of green on the color wheel would be red. So any of those red-based browns are really going to help to make your eyes pop. And there are a lot of red undertone in here. Blue eyes, the opposite would be more of an orange. And that would be your bronzes, your golds, your peaches, your salmons, even pinks. Things that are adjacent to that red family without being full-on red. Now, looking at this as a whole, this will make any blue or green eye pop. I don't think you can't use it if you have brown eyes, but I definitely think it will work best for blues and greens. And the last item is going to be from the Beauty Crop, and this is the Lipped Cream Lip Kit, set of hydrating liquid lipstick and long-wearing lip liner. This is in the shade, I hope it has a name. I'm gonna pop this open and see if we can't track down a shade name, because I am not seeing one by looking on the box. The liner is in the shade Date Night, and I'm not seeing a color on the liquid lip. I have used the Beauty Crop lip liners in the past. I did not like them. I found that they feathered quite a bit, but the liquid lipsticks, I'm a little bit more, I guess, skeptical of, but I'm willing to give it a try. This color is a little bit more on the warm side compared to what I would typically wear. I like more of a mauve-y red versus this, which is a little bit more of a red mauve. I know that doesn't make sense. Mauve, red, mauve. Let me grab an example. I know at first glance these two colors look like they're the same, but if you look closely, you'll see this one has a lot more red in it, whereas this one has a lot more of that pink in it. So again, they're similar, but on my complexion, I'm gonna just throw this on the bottom lip. It looks like a red lip. It doesn't look like a nude lip like I like. See how right away, I haven't even applied it fully. This does not look like a nude lip. This looks like I'm wearing a red. See, this is not really the color I would tend to go for, but I will say the formula feels nice. It's bleeding a little, so you definitely do need to use a liner. Like I said, I do not love this brand's liner, but I am going to set this aside and use this in an upcoming video with a full demo review just to give it a second chance, because I do like the way the formula of the liquid lip feels, and I'm not hating the color, but you can see already it's starting to feather a tiny bit on the lower lip. And just for emphasis, I put a tiny bit of that lighter color that I had mentioned instead, and you see how it's just a little bit more neutrally nude for my complexion. This is Maxed Out from Beauty For Real. This is more the color I would go for than what I currently have on the top lip from Beauty Crop. And of course, it did not come off pretty, and there's a little bit of staining. And where I used my cleanser to remove my lip, it, kind of stained my chin a little bit. So always be mindful when you're using a liquid lipstick, you can experience staining. So looking at this box, I think this was actually a really great assortment of product. The lip, if you are somebody who likes this sort of color, I think you'll really enjoy it. The brow gel, obviously I need to try the specific one from the box, but you can never have too many clear brow gels. I feel like I am constantly losing them because I'll throw it in a travel bag and then forget where I put it. The Earth Harbor is a fantastic product, And I'm excited to give the Melanin Gets a try because this is a brand I already know I like. I will be doing a full tutorial with the Ciate Brazilian Glow eyeshadow palette, but I can already tell you from experience, the formula on the Ciate palettes is amazing. One of my favorite palettes by them was the Ciate Royal Edition palette. This was just such a beautiful palette, and I still find myself reaching for this regularly. It's the same thing, it's the same formula, just obviously in a different color story. So I'm excited to put this to the test, but I already know I'm going to love it. Let me know your thoughts on everything here down below. I would love to hear what you think of this month's Boxycharm by Ipsy, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!